Hello, thank you for joining this video and welcome to Professional Finance Studies. This video is aimed to provide what the services we provide, what PFS is, and how we add value to our clients. We have recently announced some of the courses that we launched in June 2020, and also some of the courses are coming in July in the next month, in the month of July. And many people asked us what we provide, how we add value to our clients, how they can join to our classes, and to make people aware about that. And I thought it will be good to make this video to let them know about how we add value and how they can enroll to our classes. We provide the mentoring and teaching services to candidates for chartered financial analysts, all the levels, CFA level 1, 2, and 3. We also provide mentoring services for financial risk manager program, mainly on part 1 we are doing, part 2 is coming later. We also launching a CFA Institute Investment Foundation certificate. And then we have some more other courses like financial modeling masterclass. Then we have Excel skill for business, equity valuation masterclass, personal finance masterclass, and portfolio management masterclass. We have separate videos for all these separate like CFA and FRM and CFA Institute Investment Foundation certificate. This video is aimed to provide a brief about what we do and how our participants can be benefited by joining our classes. So let's talk about the CFA program in a brief, like it's a gold standard program among investment profession. This is told by in the Economist magazine, and in the investment profession, if you want to have a professional degree, obvious of professional designation, then CFA program can be very valuable. And there has been some changes that coming in the CFA program, especially for the CFA level 1. As you all know, by this time in the CFA level 1, 2, and 3, the June exam has been postponed to December, and candidates have the opportunity to take part in the December exam or the later part, like for CFA level 1 is February 2021, or for level 2 and level 3 they can participate in June as well, but they have to decide and they have to let the CFA Institute know. CFA level 1 program, there has been some changes coming in the 2021. It will be computer based MCQ exam from 2021, and instead of 2 exams in a year, the exam there will be 4 times a year. So it will take place 4 times a year. It will be MCQ based and computer based exam, and also the total number of questions has reduced from 240 MCQ to 180 MCQ, and the total time will be 4.5 hours. Previously it was 6 hours. And obviously there will be a mandatory 30 minutes break in the halfway between the 2 sessions, like it will be divided into 2.25 hours each. But candidates, if want to retake the exam, they can retake the exam, and they have to wait for 6 months, which means if you fail in February 2021, you cannot go for May 2021. You have to go for August 2021. The cost of the exam is there is an one-time enrollment fee, which is $450, and the exam fee is $700, but this is for the early registration fee. We always suggest our clients to go for early registration, because the later part, the standard registration fee is higher, which is $1,000. So it's better to save $300 by going for early registration fee. The CFA level 1 February 2021 exam registration will open on June 16th and afterwards. So if candidates want to join that, they can register after June 16th of this year. CFA level 2 and level 3, it was always have took place in June once a year, and it will remain same. So exams will take place on June every year. So next year it will also take place on June. It's a paper-based exam, and obviously in CFA level 2, there has been some changes from CFA level 1. Like in the level 2 exam, it is MCQ, but those are based on some case. So you will have certain cases, and after the case, you will have maybe 4, 5, or 6 questions. And you have 6 hours exam, 3 hours each from 9 to 12 and 2 to 5. And this is at one sitting. You have on the 6 hours exam, you have to face, and you have to prepare for your exam. You will get the get a lot of time to prepare for exam, but obviously in one day 6 hours exam is very tiresome, so candidates have to have very good preparation. Exam fee is $700. Again, this is for early registration fee, and the one-time enrollment fee is only for only when you enroll for CFA level 1, so you need not to pay the enrollment fee again. So every time you go for a registration for CFA level 2 and level 3, you have to pay the exam fee. We have separate video for CFA program in detail, so you can log into our YouTube channel and see a detail about CFA program. We also provide teaching and mentoring services for FRM exam, which is a global standard for financial risk management. FRM Part 1 is also a paper-based MCQ exam. It takes place 2 times a year, mainly in May and November. Obviously, for this year, May exam has been postponed to November. Actually, to October for Indian location, it is postponed to November. Uh, the main difference is actually it focuses on the risk management. So someone who want to build their expertise in depth in the risk management industry, then they can go for FRM exam. Uh, but unlike CFA exam, FRM exam center, there is no FRM exam center in Bangladesh at this moment. So candidates normally go to nearby countries like India, Thailand, or Singapore. Obviously, that becomes very difficult this year because of the COVID-19. Total time is 4 hours, and there is no break within that 4 hours. And the fee for FRM Part 1, the enrollment fee is $400 and exam fee is $425. Again, this $425 is for early registration fee. For later registration fee, the exam fee will go up. When you sit for FRM Part 2 exam, it takes place again twice a year. There will be 80 questions, MCQ questions, 4 hours exam, and the exam fee is $350, and the enrollment fee is always one time, so you need not to pay again when you sit for FRM Part 2. But there is a rule that if you pass the Part 1 exam, you have to pass the Part 2 exam within 4 years of passing Part 1 exam. We have separate videos for FRM program, so one can look at that in our YouTube channel. CFA Institute Investment Foundation program are designed for those who actually want to have a basic idea about the investment industry, who doesn't need to be CFA charter, but who works with different leading professionals and works in the support role, works in the financial services industry, or also want to know about the investment industry. Many investors can do it. So anyone who has interest in the finance and investment industry can go for it. So the program is free from CFA Institute. So you need not to pay any exam fee for this. It's a fully online certificate program, so you can sit for the exam anytime at your convenient time. There will be 100 MCQ questions to be completed in 100 minutes, and you can schedule your exam at any time. You can register twice in a 12-month period. So if you fail one time, then you can go for another sitting, but you cannot sit for the exam 3 times. So if you prepare yourself well, you need not to go for that, because it is quite achievable. So many people who are actually studying in different universities at this COVID period, they have some more time. Maybe first year, second year, or third year students can go for the CFA Institute Investment Foundation program before they are testing themselves for the level 1 exam. And also there are many professionals who work in the support role, like stock market trading, or treasury back office, or anyone who has interest in the investment and finance industry can learn about basic financial markets, basic tools and techniques, etc. Beyond CFA, FRM, we provide some courses on productivity and also some other value-added courses. So we have a financial modeling masterclass, which is an advanced Excel and modeling tools and techniques are focused on that class. The next financial modeling masterclass is going to start from June 19th. Already many of the candidates joined for our program, so there are not much seats left. It will be online based, Zoom based classes from June 19. Every Friday there will be one class, 3 hours each, so total 12 hours class for the financial modeling master class. There are some people who historically found the advanced Excel class to be quite advanced. So I think for them, Excel skills for business, essential Excel tools for day-to-day business can be quite helpful. So many people are not good at Excel, even they do not have the basic tools and techniques, so they can go for these hands-on classes on Excel skills for business. We usually have it every 3 months. We'd also like to introduce another Excel course, which is a dashboard masterclass. In Excel, Microsoft Excel, you can build some fantastic dashboard using different data and can make you can make very good decision making tools that will be very helpful for your decision making. So you can go for that dashboard masterclass, which is upcoming. We hope to launch this course in the fourth quarter of this year. We also have other courses like in-depth course on equity valuation. We have done one in the last year, and we got very good response from different sell side and buy side clients. So many people have done it. We focuses on different sectoral valuation, like valuing a company in the financial services sector is quite different from valuing a manufacturing in company, and also again valuing a telco is quite different from valuing a service based company. So we focused on many macroeconomic tools and techniques, and based on that, how to value a company. We show it in depth in that course, and we would like to launch another course this year, hopefully. We also would like to launch another course on a portfolio management masterclass on different portfolio management techniques and tools, not only on for stock screening tools, but also for bond, and we will focus on some other tools on different asset valuation as well. And also we have done a couple of personal finance masterclass. In fact, during this COVID-19, many people are focusing on personal finance education, how they can take care of their personal finances. We have launched our first personal finance masterclass a couple of years back, and also we have done one personal finance class this year before the COVID lockdown, during the first week of March. So I think this personal finance masterclass can be very helpful for any people who earns, who save, and who are thinking about how they can channel their savings into different instrument. Many people do not have the right framework, so we talk about different frameworks in those classes. So how PFS can add value? Obviously, we provide very good teaching and mentoring services. We continuously try to upgrade ourselves. In this post-COVID, in this COVID-19, we are taking our classes online, and on post-COVID, we will continue our online and also offline classes. Obviously, we have some very good quality in-house teachers. We build those teachers in-house. Many of them were actually our own students who passed in the few years back. Majority of our teachers are CFA charter holders. In fact, we have a policy to include teachers who at least have to pass CFA level 2. We don't take any teachers who are CFA level 1 pass. So, and also they have to have some quality experience in the market as well. So obviously people who have good experience, like 5-6 years of experience, can add a lot of value. So we have good quality teachers who provide very good teaching to the candidates. We have in-house research and materials. We do study materials, and we continuously upgrade those study materials every year, because every time we get some feedback from our students, we think that we need to upgrade some materials. So we do that. We do some career counseling to our candidates to take the right path for their careers, and we also provide certain suggestions how they can mm, build themselves, because different people have different aims in terms of career. So how they can position themselves, how they can provide their CVs and etc. So we do help on that as well. Obviously our services are great value for money, so obviously the amount you will pay, you will understand after doing few months of classes that those are great value for money. Also, the payments are very flexible method. We have a monthly payment schedule, so you need not to pay a one-time fee, so you can pay on a monthly basis, which are very flexible. These are some of the excerpts of our materials. If you look at, these are actually our smart notes. These are our smart summaries. These are our um, question banks. We have shown a couple of questions. So we do take practice exams, so people do participate in those practice exams before the exam. This is our class slides and etc. So we have different types of materials, and we spend significant amount of time on building those materials and continuously upgrade, because as you move forward, the economy is changing, the market is changing, and the pattern of teaching and subject should change as well, and we spend a significant amount of time on that. Our current and upcoming batches, currently we have CFA level 1 December, so any candidates who want to participate in the December 2020 exam can readily join our classes. We are running this every Friday and Saturday morning. We also have CFA level 2 classes for the December exam. As you know, that June exam has been postponed to December, and our clients are doing the classes every Friday and Saturday morning. Our FRM part 1 class will start on June 12th this month, and the total fee for this course is 30,000. It will be a 6-month course, and obviously you can pay in installments. From June 19th, our financial modeling masterclass will start, and there is an early bird discount for financial modeling masterclass if you register yourself before June 7th. Actual fee is 6,000. In fact, because of the COVID-19, we reduced it by 25%. Our regular price for financial modeling masterclass was 8,000. So we reduced it by 25%. And obviously there's a early bird discount if you register yourself by June 7. For CFA level 1, February 2021, our batch will start on July 3rd. Many people already knocked our pages, and obviously many people already gone for the registration as well. So our admission fee for that is 5,000, and monthly fee is 6,000. We also launched a CFA Institute Investment Foundation program in the second week of July. And this will be also a 5-month course, and admission fee for that is 2,000, and monthly fee is 4,000. So thank you for seeing our video. If you have any questions, we would like to answer those questions later on. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to inbox us. Thank you for today.